Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're gonna do a whole package of vibe coding, no idea to website for making available to the world. And this part will be two divisions. First, we're gonna build, and second, we will make it live for the world, like putting to the Vercel. And we can also buy a custom domain in order to make more professional. We're gonna do that completely on live, pushing the code to GitHub and to the Vercel, and whole package will do a senior developer which lives on your terminal, which is a vibe coding tool from Claude. So let's begin. Okay, here we go. We are here. So first of all, make sure that you are on the right place. Claude Cowork or Claude Code, whatever you can start with. But you can also start on your terminal, just like this one, terminal. You can also start here, but I'm gonna do with this because it's more efficient, I think. Select the application folder where you would like to work to code. So I have selected that the video projects. There is tons of projects here, but I would like to make a habit tracker applications today. So I have selected this. I would like to work on local place, and there is a tons of plan here: bypass permissions, plan, accept queries, and ask permissions. There is a ask permission. It will ask whether you will go for that. Accept is also work by your own. Planning mode, before doing anything, we'll go for planning mode, and then we'll go for the real projects. So first of all, we'll take an ideas from anywhere. For these reasons, I would like to build projects, just like I have taken this idea from ideabrowser.com. We have no affiliations with that, but it's just a random idea we could build. I took the pictures from ideabrowser.com and pasted out to ChatGPT and saying that I want to build this app. Can you give me the best prompt so that I can build it with AI agents? So the ChatGPT is really based for prompting or giving ideas, structured ideas. So I would like to copy it and go to my code, and I will say that, hey, I would like to make an habit tracker app. Can you help me? If you are ready, I will give you the instruction. So it's ready. I will paste it, the super long prompt here. I pasted out. Here you go. Awesome. This mainly build the planning mode so that I can directly to step by step we're running. So right now it's listing the working directly to the contents. You can also see what's going on behind it. There is a file user Gazi Masud habit tracker apps. So they're also working here and asking the permission. So right now it's give me what I really want, just like my coworker, just asking about my coworker can build. So one service for old BD storage, a simple nab setup procures, and I will go for OpenAI API keys to build this up. So it asked about the basic things what requires to build these applications. We're still on the planning mode. We gotta go. After seeing the whole of things, it start working and taking 1.3k tokens already. So right now it gave me the plan what it gonna build. It's a serious project. You could able to read them out, and you can also make changes if you wish. It asking about that whether I will accept or not. So definitely I will accept the plan of that, and waiting for the next thing. And if you don't want really the permissions, you can also bypass permissions. It will working by your own. The Cloud Code will read, edit, or file without asking anything. If you once you do that, it will do by your own, and no need to do anything, literally anything. And the best part is it can take control over my browser, and we're gonna see a little bit later. If I just got stuck for something, we will ask the Claude to do that by your own using my browser. So there is a super interesting thing I found that, but it also take a little bit more tokens. It hits a limit, but it is still really fun to do that. If you just do for fun, it's not super efficient yet because it's really costly. But if you just do for fun, or something you found it very complex, you could ask to Claude that to accomplish that. It is taking time, so we have to wait for a while until it's finished. Really, as I said that Opus 4.7 is took more tokens, and it hits limits a lot. So make sure that you should try to use less tokens while you are using Opus model 4.7. So we just wanted to cut off and make another rest of the videos after getting the limitations back. So just wait for a while. Now we're doing the rest of the work. So I just put in an instructions that can you do the rest of the work, and it's continue to work right now. Opus 4.7 is basically taking a lot more tokens, so it hits limitations more frequently if you don't have enterprise plan for it. And make sure that you should try to use less token. So right now drop your OpenAI key into the local whenever you want to remove streaming and no code changes or Stripe email address or sessions. And so right now all you have to do, you could able to see the everything. Run dev. So right now you wanted to see the thing. So background shell is, so it gave me instructions that cd and npm run dev. Yes, it is. It's quite amazing product we have got. Look at the style, look at the linear loop. So features, here is the features, pattern directions, generational instrument, AI code snap, behavior graph, daily check-in. So it's pretty amazing design. Look at that. And as a developer, if you wanted to build this up from scratch, you have to look at that. Look at the things. Your old member sign in or sign off. Or AI insights are here. Sunday evening, anticipate also loop, first and present. Just I didn't give the key, API keys from, like this one is totally free. Go loop 12 6 per month, ultimate journal, habits, insight and coaching. So pretty amazing, so I didn't give the super base case for real sign-ins or something, but look at that, all the things. Oh my gosh, it's super, absolutely more energies or emotional intensity. Look at that. Look at the lineage. Potential company avoid. Look at the design. Actually, is what it actually done. Super amazing thing. Oh my gosh, this is out of control, right? Average mode is 6 and 2 out of 10. Mode energy is here. Look at that. Absolutely super pricing, and it's totally built up entire things, right? And right now I'm gonna do is make it available for the world. We didn't give the API. We didn't use API and other things like Supabase for backend work, but we can also make it available for the world using Vercel. So right now we're gonna host this to the Vercel. First of all, we're gonna put this on GitHub and then make it available for the world on Vercel. You can also buy a custom domain for this. Just I'm gonna give a prompt. I would like to make for the world wanted to host this on Vercel. Vercel. Can you do it? Look at that, a few dev server first, then we need to make a few decisions before is publishing to Vercel. So if you wanted to make sure that you have to change a little bit what you really don't like, or adding some features as well, you just tell it to it will do that. So dev server is top. Good news that your GitHub and CLI is login, and all things as login. I can push the code to GitHub for you automatically, and then needs to Vercel one-time browsing logging. So right now, all I'll do is recommend things like this one. It also recommended that a private should GitHub repository or public or be. I will go for public. Yes, deploy and markdown recommended. And without taking APIs from OpenAI, we just demo to you, and probably later before make it live, we will just product market fit, and we make sure that I do validation stuff, and then if we see that it might grow, or it has a really good potential to do that, so probably gonna make it live. And for the fun stuff, for using for ourselves, we might make it live later, or upcoming videos, which is gonna be next upcoming videos, not for this playlist. We just probably do that. So right now is code is live on GitHub. Is now this app is deployed on the Mog, and no Superbase, no OpenAI. It is fine for sharing the public URL, just comparing the versus live. Yes, deploy on the Markdown recommended. And right now is probably, yes, it is completely push the code on my GitHub. Yes, so it's completely, it has done where we are again. And the link that shares is I knew for the Vercel. So right now I will create a new repository to Masud project. Is a hobby project, definitely it is, and my repository, private repository name. And if it doesn't impact you directly, to go to the Vercel new and import Git repository from there. You can you have two. So just create my repository is Vercel team is hobby. Create a new team. I'm gonna go through from this link. I wanted to build a new repository from here. I still available to something Collaboration Pro, and here I have also a new repository. So it has been deploying that all the stuff, initializing the stuff, or you can do, there is you can do here. I have to wait for that a little bit. Here we go. Congratulations, and continue on the dashboard here. So there you go. Line Vercel loop, the Gazi.Vercel app. So it's right now is totally available, and you can able to just copy, and I just wanted to paste it up. Paste and post it up. So here you go. We have done it and posted on Twitter. Just go like that. Let's look at that, and you can go and use your phone to see that, or how it creates and or to look like it's. Next step is using your Superbase from backend data, API, maintaining APIs, or adding APIs from Claude or OpenAI, and you can also add a custom domain here. So before doing that, you could also validate your ideas by posting this kind of stuff again and again. People will like, if people like it, you can go for next up. So for idea validation stuff, or how to do how to validate an idea, we will go from upcoming videos as how a startup can be grown faster, or whether it's eligible for eligible for the next step, or growing faster. So we will do later maybe. So this is super interesting stuff. Doing software or making software is absolutely fun doing right now, and we don't have. So right now we are saying that there is an issues here. There is a little bit of issues we are seeing here. All you have to do is just tell that where I have found an issue, can you fix it? So right now just tell to that, and you just take a screenshot and give it to Claude. Did erase from the link one pricing and router is driving a links, and here is probably it will fix, and if for the reason it will be a much more longer video, so we just not continue anymore. And there is things to build the stuff in 2026. We don't need to, and it's a good, is still low used for the real routers. Let me just check the folder impact is still good, is still needed, but build a verify, then commit it and push to the Vercel. It will do by yourself. If you, it might require some packages which not installed to on your local machines. Probably just all you have to do is giving bypass the permissions, and it will do it by yourselves. So this is the way of doing something automatically, and your co-work will done the stuff whatever need to you. Thank you so much for watching this. Probably we'll see you in the next